about volume of a cube. Okay, first thing we are going to discuss under volume, that should be our cube. Cube means, just think a Rubik cube. Okay, Rubik cube. I hope you know what is the Rubik cube. You can rotate in all 360 directions. Okay, so likewise, here we have a cube. In this cube, this measurement only given. Okay, this measurement is the only given measurement. By using that, how can we identify the volume? Okay, to find volume of a particular cube, there is a formula. To find the volume of a cube, there is a formula. Volume equals to length, okay, length into length into length, length into length into length. Why we are multiplying length thrice? Okay, I'll explain why we are multiplying same length thrice. Because here you can see in a cube is consist of, okay, three square sides. Cube is consist of three square sides. Square means what? In a square, we know in a square all four sides are equal. Okay, all four sides are equal. Likewise, in this 3D object, okay, this is not a picture. You can touch this and feel the surfaces of this cube. Okay, so think it as a 3D object. I give you this one as 5 centimeters. You can understand this one also would be 5. This side also 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Likewise, in cube also, when I give you length, okay, when I give you length, okay, this is, I'll indicate the length here, okay, length. So length, this is our length. So length would be given as 5 centimeters. And when we consider about this should be our breadth, okay, breadth of this cube. Breadth. Okay, breadth means in breadth also that should be also 5 centimeter. Hence it is a square. All sides are equal. No, all sides are equal. So this one 5 centimeter and breadth, that one also will become as 5 centimeters. That one also should be exactly 5 centimeters. Then when you consider about this one, okay, the horizontal, sorry, the vertical distance, that is called as height. Okay, height. We are using three different terms. Okay, length, breadth and height. This is a square. That means this is also a square shape. Okay, square face. In a square face, if this side is 5 centimeter, this one also 5 and this one also 5, this one also 5. If this is 5, okay, try to understand. If this is 5, this one also should be 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. That's how we found height also as 5 centimeter. Okay, height also as 5 centimeter. Height means this vertical distance. Vertical distance. This is our length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Those are indicated here. To find volume of a cube, here what we have to multiply is, earlier I explained you, we have to multiply length into length into length. Why that is? Because length, when I explain by using the proper formula, length into breadth into height. Okay, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. But in a cube, all these three are same. Okay, length also 5 centimeter and breadth. When you consider about the breadth, that one also should be 5 centimeter. Again, height. Height also. Here we found, hence it is a star shape. All these magnitudes are 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. That's how we need to do. Then after, you should multiply all these magnitudes. That means, let's multiply our numbers first. 5 fives are 25. Okay, there are 3 fives. 5 fives are 25. 25 fives are 125. Okay, 125. Just recall how we found the area of a square. To find the area, you should multiply 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Earlier, you multiplied 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So 5 fives are 25. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter, that will give you square centimeters. Okay, to indicate the area, we are using the unit as square centimeters. When we talk about centimeter, that should be square centimeter. In meters, square meters. In centimeter, square, sorry, in millimeter, square millimeters. To find area, to indicate area, unit should be in square form. Centimeter square or millimeter square or meter square. That's not a problem, but that should be in a square manner. But likewise in a volume, volume is another dimension. Okay, volume is another dimension. Here, what we are doing? 5 into 5 into 5. You know how to multiply that. That is 125. Here we are multiplying centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. There are 3 centimeters. So, centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter power of 3. Centimeter power of 3. This is the unit we are using to identify volume. Okay, to indicate the volume we are using totally 3 units. Okay, basically we are using totally 3 units. First one is meter cube. Okay, meter cube. These are the units. Okay, indicate it as units. And centimeter cube, that one also possible, and millimeter. If the measurements are given as millimeter, we can use millimeter cube units. Meter cube or centimeter cube or millimeter cube. The unit is very important in a volume. That's how I multiply 5 into 5 into 525. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. That's all for this question.